Hi there, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to add a payment method onto your Fiverr account. Now, first off, it seems that Fiverr is heavily in favor of PayPal because if we go over here to the top right, go over to my billing and payments, if I go to payment methods, the only thing I can add is a PayPal account. You may be seeing others, and I hope you do, because fees can be a bit high on PayPal. And the same is true whether I switch to buyer, because right now I am selling. Let's switch to buyer. If we go down to billing and payments, the only payment method we have is PayPal. However, there is one last thing I would like to point out. Let's go back to selling. If we go to my business, down to earnings, there is a button here that says add a payout method, which will in fact give me a few more options, specifically two more options, Payoneer and a direct bank transfer. Now, it is PayPal that supports more currencies because over at a Payoneer account or a bank transfer, well, of course, it's powered by Payoneer, so there are only 3 currencies that we can use. Now, as we can see, available payment methods are based on your account location. This is all I have. You may be seeing more, but those are the 2 ways we can move money to and from Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.